Now next we're going to do a little summary review. We're going to go into greater detail on the breakdown pertaining to the table of orders, and we're also going to cover some other bonus. Okay, so what do you guys think about that presentation? It's pretty amazing. Your $850 can be turned into $8,000 with just a little combined effort using the 1 plus 2 method. So to explain it in a little bit greater detail, to break it down, here's a chart similar to what you just saw. So here's you at the top here with 850 US. That's your initial investment. Now you are supposed to bring in your two directs. So below you see here you have your direct for 850 and another your direct for 850. Now your directs are required to do the same thing that you did. So your directs get their directs, which we are calling directs. So you see here on the next level you have one person, your direct, that got their people to get two directs, and then the directs were required to get their directs, which fills in the bottom level. When the entire chart is filled, this is when you exit. So again, you have your initial investment. You come into position 1 on level 1, and when level 1 fills with the other 7 slots, then you move down to the next level. So now you're on level 2. Again, when level 1 fills, you move down to the next level. Once again, you're on level 3, and when level 1 fills again, you move down to level 4. Now at level 4, what happens is when 8 more first table purchasers are placed on the table, you exit for the first time and get $4,000 US in gold bars, which, as you know, you can always exchange for cash. This is what is called exiting. Now after you exit, you're going to receive an email, and it'll say congratulations on exiting. You have just completed table 1, the first cycle. Your investment of $850 US with bonus rewards, because you brought in those 2 other accounts, has now allowed you to earn rewards, which gives you the $4,000 for that cycle. Would you like that in gold bars, or would you like that in cash? Now, after you've completed the first table of orders, which is cycle 1, you're now eligible to move on to the second table, which is a promotion reward. This will allow you to get an additional $4,000, and there's no investment required. So as you can see, once again, you start off in position 1, and when the other positions 2 through 8 on level 1 fill, you get to move down to the next level. Again, level 1 fills, and you move down to level 3. Again, level 1 fills, you move down to level 4, and when 8 more first table exiters are placed on the second table, you exit for a second time and get another $4,000 US in gold bars. Now remember, these are not new clients or new purchasers. The second table is only for those who have exited the first table and are placed on the second table, and so there's no more recruiting, there's no more getting people, because everybody that exits on the first table will be put onto the second table automatically. So again, after you've exited, you'll get the congratulation letter, the email that will congratulate you. Says you have completed the second table, which is the second cycle. Your original investment of $850 US with bonus rewards gets you another $4,000 US. Now, would you like that in gold bars, or would you like that in cash? Pretty amazing system, isn't it? Now, we're not done. Now, you've completed table 1, the first cycle, table 2, the second cycle, and you've brought in your 1 plus 2. You've exited, and you're given a bonus table reward. You have now qualified for what's called the mini link. There's no new investments. You get more bonuses, and you get more rewards. Now let's talk a little bit more about how the mini link works.